Hey guys, it's Christine, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Hello World project, which it's a basic project that every beginner programmer should do, and what it focuses on is changing the text in labels. So let's get started. I'm opening Visual Studios right now, and I already set up a project. I called it Tutorial Hello World, and now it's just opening it. And right here we have our form. The first thing we should always do is name it FRM main and change the text to whatever your project is. So I'm going to do Hello World. So you can see how it changes up here too. Alright, so you can also change the color of your form, and I don't want it to be a boring gray, so I'm going to make it like pink. And I'm going to grab a label. So this is going to be the label where we change the text. First of all, I'm going to name it LBL title and set the auto size to false. So now you can see we can change the size and change the text to Hello World. And you can also align it. I'm just going to make it in the middle so it's easier to see. And I'm going to make the font bigger, maybe more of a fancier font. Let's see. Lucia handwriting and make it nice and big. Alright. I'm also going to make the border like a 3D kind of effect, so you can see it more clearly where the boundaries of the label are. Alright, so now for the buttons to change the text. We're going to grab our first button and we're going to name it BTN, BTN change 1. So this is going to change the text the first time. We're also going to say push to change text. Use space right there, and you can see how it just automatically puts it in here, which is nice. And you can also change the font, which I'm going to do to make it easier to see. Font, alright. So that's going to be our first button. Now, I'm going to make a second button, so I'm just going to copy and paste, which is much faster. However, you do have to name it all over again. So we're going to do BTN change 2, which changes the text again. So I'm just going to do push to change text. Oh, my spelling. Okay. There we go. And we're just going to expand it so you can see the whole message. Alright. And another button I'm going to make is an exit button. So what it does is it's just another function of this exit button. It just makes it a button. So we're going to do BTN exit. And for this, we're just going to make it exit program. Alright, I'm going to make it smaller and in the corner. So, what kind of text would it change to? So, first of all, we're going to double click on this button, which brings us to the code. And we can just do this, changes the text in the title. So first we're gonna name our label. So it's gonna be LBL title dot text. Make sure you remember the dot text equals whatever you want it to be. So I'm just gonna do coding is awesome. Woo. Alright, so that'll change the text. For the second button, we're gonna double click on it and we're gonna say this changes text again, and do LBL title dot text equals whatever you want it to be. So what's up, guys? Alright, let's see if it works. So we're gonna save it. Oops, save it, and we are going to run it. Alright, so it should, there we go, and then change the text. What's up, guys? Whoa, alright, so now this exit doesn't work yet. So we're going to go back here and code for it. Let's see, exit. So the code for exit is this dot close, opening and closing parentheses, and of course a semicolon. This is really commonly used a lot, so make sure this is always memorized in your head. So now we can change the text and we can exit the program. Alright, so that's it for the Hello World program, and I really hope you guys learned something about changing the text and setting up buttons and labels, and especially the code for the exit button. And thanks for watching.